Let's talk about refinancing. What is a refinance? Who's it for? And why might now be a great time to take a look at your current mortgage? So a refinance, simply put, is replacing your current mortgage with a better one. It could be for various reasons. Ideally, we're going to lower your interest rate, saving you money per month. We could also access equity in the home, so pull money out for you to do things like pay off high interest credit card debt or start that new business or whatever it is. And thirdly, you might just want to reduce your term. You might have 24 years left on your repayment term, and we can get it down to 20 while keeping your payment the same. So there's various different reasons why you may want to refinance. Those are just a few of them. Think of it as trading in your old loan for one that better suits your lifestyle right now. If you bought your home in the past couple years and your interest rate starts with a 7, we should definitely talk. Mortgage interest rates right now are lower than they've been in the past couple years, and more people are starting to call about refinancing, mainly to save that money per month. But like I said, there are other reasons. I've had a lot of people that have a lot of equity in their home. Either they put a lot down when they bought it, or their home has appreciated in value since they purchased it, and they're looking at that equity while they've got all these high interest credit card debts or car payments or whatever it is. And we can actually tap into that home equity and pay off the higher interest rate debt at a lower interest rate for you. We don't even need to pay off your first mortgage to do that. You've got some people still, bought when rates were in the 2s and 3s. You don't need to touch that. You can access the equity in your home, pay off the other high debts, and leave that nice low interest rate where it is. Also reducing your term. If you, like I said, you want to reduce the amount of years you have left to pay on your loan, even while keeping your payment the same. If we lower your interest rate, that's possible as well. If you have an FHA or a VA mortgage, the refinance process is even easier for those. For FHA, it's called a streamline. For VA, it's called an IRRL, IRRRL. But in essence, there's no appraisal, there's no income verification, and there's minimal paperwork. They pretty much just look to make sure you've been making your mortgage payments on time. And if you have, we can refinance you with very, very little effort and very, very little documentation. If you're not sure about whether now's the time to talk about a refinance, give us a call, because we can take a look at the numbers, see if it makes sense or it doesn't make sense, and let you make the best decision for you. Here at Fairview Lending, we've been serving the Southwest Florida area for almost 20 years. We've helped hundreds of families either buy or refinance their home, and we pride ourselves on a smooth, transparent, friendly process. That's why we have such really good Google reviews, and we'd love to help you out as well. We have a no obligation free mortgage consultation where we just look at your numbers, see if it makes sense, give you the best advice we can, and let you ultimately make the final decision for you. But I'm telling you, a lot of people are refinancing right now. Rates are lower than they've been, and it's at least worth taking a look and having a phone call about it. So give us a call today. 239-829-1543 is our office number. We're located on Del Prado Boulevard in Cape Coral, and we are looking forward to hearing from you.